Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Audacity, so how to get Audacity in 2026. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. I'm actually just going to jump right in and type Audacity here. Now it's most likely going to be the first one. Make sure it's the official website, so audacityteam.org. Click this. You can also download it here immediately, but that's going to be with MuseHub. But you also have other download options. If you select this, then as you can see, you have the choice between Windows, Mac and Linux. Now I'm on Windows, so I'm going to select this. Then there will be multiple versions. So if you have something more specific that you want, you can actually select it right here and download that version. Now the first one is going to be in case you want it to do via MuseHub. Now so this option is also going to install the MuseHub application. And so Audacity, you're going to actually install it within that MuseHub application. You're going to also have the possibility to install other software and also plugins in case you want to use that in Audacity. That's also an option within MuseHub, but it is definitely optional. I actually have a video on my channel already where I show you how to download Audacity through MuseHub. So if that's in case something you're curious about, go check out that video just in case you want to download it through there. But in this video, I'm just simply going to go for the Audacity installer itself. Now, if you do this one, it's going to be immediately the setup, so the .exe file. And if you do the zip file, you'll have some extra files, of course, together in one zip. But that depends if you want that or not. I'm just going to go for the setup immediately. So I'm going to click download. And as you can see, it's up here in the right corner. Now it's actually quite fast as well if you only do the setup. Here, don't worry, you don't have to do anything, by the way. And once it's done, we can just go ahead and do show in folder or immediately open it because it's a .exe, so it's immediately the setup. I'm just going to show in folder to show you where it goes. Now for me, but also for you, it should go to your downloads. And then from there, same idea, we can just go ahead and launch it. So we're going to double click it. If Windows asks permission, click yes. And as you can see, the Audacity installation will start without MuseHub. The language, so just do the one that you want. I'm going to go for English. You can just do next. This is going to be some information. Just click next. This is quite important. This is going to be where Audacity will be installed. I generally just advise you to leave it like it is and let Audacity choose where it wants to be installed. So as you can see, it's just going to be on my C disk here in program files. Now, if you know what you're doing and you really know where you want it to be installed, you can always go ahead and browse it. But do make sure in that case that you know what you're doing. I'm just going to go ahead and click next. This is optional. We can create a desktop shortcut. I'll just select it here, next, and we can go ahead and click install. As you can see, that was quite fast, and here you can just leave this checked to launch Audacity immediately. Why not? And it will start launching, as you can see. Now here's going to be a quick overview. You can just go through it, but don't worry, you don't have to do this. You can just click OK or do the little cross up here. But there you go, guys. That is how you download and install Audacity without MuseHub. So of course, now you can just go ahead and start using Audacity itself. Something I will also show you in my next video, by the way, on my channel. But in any case, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please, if you like, it would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.